see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does
We miss up.
Baby, are you a baby?
And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by,
Nagreklamo to. Madadaan kasi natin sila pa balik sa hotel. Yeah, that's one, alright?
That's a 3-story.
Dito na kami sa hotel kung saan kami nakastay. And sabi ni, what did you say about me? What?
I forgot.
What did you say? You
Oh,
want me-
you're staying in here.
Why?
Because.
Why?
It's like forever. Yeah.
Get your
Holly,
Close.
2 towels, go.
Dad, do I need floaties?
Nah.
Holly, get your bag for your
Yeah, it's in the car.
all the bags. 2
Yeah, I
bags.
got all the bags.
No, the bags for your lotion and then for your bows. Get that bags, please. Pag-stay lang daw dito sa car kasi baka raw tumagal ulit ako sa room. So dito lang kami ni Jan. Sila nang bahala. Alam na nila kung nasan yung kanilang mga damit. Holly! Kain na siya. Kalang sila ng towel. Siya kayong ayan si Kuya. So balik tayo doon. Try natin kung makakaharap tayong parking para makapag laro sila doon sa inflatable slides. May towel na rin sila. Okay. Nakain ko na yung aking lunch. Lunch na to. 12:50 na, guys.
what you hiding from me? What you holding back? I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That looked the
Dito na tayo.
I'm naked.
Dito na tayo, guys. So, sa labas tayo magpa-park.
I didn't mean slap me on the face. I
Where,
mean
hon?
slap me on
Inside?
the Go.
Yeah. Doon tayo. Meron. Meron doon sa kabila.
Honey, what's that big thing?
West Beach Park.
Dude, Holly, you won't do it. You'll be scared of heights. No, I won't. I never be scared of heights.
Wow. You
I can go
sure?
on that mega thing. What mega thing? I'm gonna go on the big ledge. You can go on
The
that
hang
mega
on.
thing.
Where's the tree?
No.
Yeah, here. Yeah,
No,
here.
I'm not joking. Mom, don't vlog me. I'm getting. No, that's
Yes, I'm not gonna
scary.
vlog
Who
you,
puts
Baba.
a table up there?
Okay, bis lang sila.
sit on.
Okay, wait, Daddy. Excited sila. Ready to get wet. Ito siya, guys, oh, the Big Wedgie Inflatable Water Park.
Look.
Oh! Ready to get wedgie. So, hindi namin alam kung pwede bumili ng ticket dito. Kasi may online eh.
Yeah.
But if she's brave enough, she can do just right as well.
She's very brave.
Alright. Get this 1 hour on
Yeah.
Yeah.
just right, and then I can give her just right a little bit. She can jump in between the slides.
Alright. Thank you.
I want to do the.
And this too. Yeah, I recommend the big one.
Yeah.
So you can do chocolate as well, buddies.
Yeah, that'll do the lot.
Yeah.
Alright, don't get it.
Yeah, we got the ticket. Yeah.
Alright. So 2 combos. And 1 just right.
Okay, guys.
That comes to 130 circa on the finishing time.
So with these
I'll
ones
put
here,
little
guys.
wedgie. No sharp objects with you.
No, nothing.
Go, Holly, go, little bit. Hang on, buddy. Yeah, just fine.
Baba, remove your slippers or sandals.
When you're ready, we're good to go.
Thank you.
No worries, man. You're all good.
Dad, he. Holy.
Go there, honey. Oh, we can sit there, babe. Oh, babe, we can sit there. Oh. Oh. Here, I can put the slippers here. Oh my God. What's that, Zach? Oh, it's wet. I know. Dito pwede si Holly dito. Doon sa mataas hindi pwede si Holly. Si Holly dito lang siya, tsaka doon. Kung brave enough si Holly. Okay. Zach?
Yeah, take Holly up with you go.
Okay, Kuya Holly, go with Kuya. Kuya, Holly. Watch. See ya, Zach.
All the boys got her off, mate.
Yeah. Where's Kuya?
Right, let's go on the jump on.
Make sure you go, Zach. Si Kuya kasama niya si Holly. Good job, Kuya. I love Kuya. Look at Zachary. Under na si Zach, ha?
Definitely first, so go up there.
Yeah, okay.
At least they've got a way, so
All right.
go over that side.
Okay.
Go down the right one.
This one? Where, hon? This one, right?
Yeah, come and have
Tagal naman. 4 minutes na to. Is that him? Yep. Oh! Hi, Zach! Nakunan ko ba? How is it?
Go do it again.
Go do it again.
Yeah,
Ah, pag nakaano na si Zach. Okay, wait. What?
It's so steep.
when you do it, jump up and down. Like jump, right, go.
Dude, that
Come on,
was steep.
Okay, si Holly. Wait. Yeah, wait for Holly.
Jump and down and sprays you.
Which one is unlimited, babe? This one?
There we go.
Wait, where are you going?
Gotta go around that way. Here comes Holly. This one.
Yeah, this one, yeah. Ay, si Kuya! Holly! Baba! Hi! You like it? How is it? You see Holly, huh? Try that one, Kuya. That big one.
We paid for it.
We paid for it, Kuya. You go there.
Come on up here. This one.
Try it, yeah? Come on.
It's not. Go.
It's not. Go with Zach.
We paid for it.
Come on, Kuya. Alright, si Kuya ay. Where's Zach?
You're doing it.
Ayaw ni Kuya dun. So, ayaw ni Kuya dun kung saan si Zach nag-slide. Nasaan si Zach? Oh, no, Zach. Are you going there again? Go get the teacher. Zach, which side are you going?
We're gonna get.
This side?
We're gonna have an ice cream while we wait.
This side, do this side, Zach.
Why don't you wait here? I'll go.
Okay? Okay, go.
That side?
Yeah. Wow, which side? You tell me. Which side? This one? Dito lang siya ulit. You alright? Huh? So fun. Kami?
No.
Baba! Ayan Ayan na siya.
Look at that bike.
Papa!
Holly, out.
Out! Did you see her arms?
I can only do that.
Where's Holly?
Si Jan, gusto ni Jan na i-try ni Sak yung pinaka malaki. Si Kuya ayaw niya pumunta kung saan si Sak. Nag-slide, natatakot daw siya. Si Jan, gusto ni Jan na i-try ni Sak itong big wedgie. See? It's not bad, Sak. Go, Sak. You go around here.
I'm watching you, hurry up.
Come on, Sak, hurry up. Come on, because almost 1 hour, hurry up. You have no time.
Zach.
No, go there first. Ah, gusto niya ulit dito. Which one? This one? Okay, dito lang. Dito daw muna bago dun sa malaki.
Oh, Zach, get up there.
Okay.
Hurry up. Look, oi, look at the Zach.
Look at the girl. Look at the little girl. See? See?
All the little girls going on.
Go.
Walk around there, follow the two girls down there. Go.
Go. Hintayin ni Sak yung malaki. Hintayin natin si Sak. Ito yung pinakamalaki nilang wedgie. Hindi pa si Sak. Ayan si Sak. Ayan si Sak. Hi, Sak. How is it? How is it? How is it? Which one is scarier? This one? This one is not? I know, cold t-shirt. Basa ako, guys. Nabasa tayo, oh. Come on. Inayaya niya na si TJ. Dito. Ayaw kasi ni Kuya. It's alright, yeah. It's fine daw. Come on. Come on, yeah.
Go up with Zachary and do it.
Yeah.
Hurry up.
It's,
Where's
there's
Ollie?
little girl.
Yeah, well, come here. This is the kids. That's for you. Hurry up. Or we're going home.
It's fine daw, Kuya. Come on.
God.
Water goes in my eyes when I went on that.
Let's go.
Which one is the best one for you?
That one to the steep.
Huh?
Jump.
This one has a jump, yeah. How about the long one, the biggest one?
Yeah.
It's
better
our-
than that one. I can't believe Holly can. That. This makes my heart go.
Fast?
Yeah.
Yung big one daw, hindi naman daw ganun ka, ano, ka-trail. Longer lang daw, pero mas gusto niya dito kasi nagja-jump. Linilipad siya. Come on, Kuya! Pinipilit ni Sak na sumama sa kanya.
Get up there and have a go. You do it once, you do it again. Go.
Come on, Kuya. It's alright. Okay, oh, very good, Sak. Go together, okay? Okay. Ando na yung dalawa, oh.
Oh, you watch. You'll do it. As soon as he does it, he'll do it again.
Go! Ayaw ni Kuya. Tingnan naman si Sak. Go, Kuya! You will be fine! Ayaw niya talaga. You will be fine, yeah. We pay for that.
No, we're not going anywhere. Care, it's not hurt, it's fun.
So, dito na si Sak. Si Sak na lang. Si Kuya, ayaw. Dito si Sak. Si Kuya, ayaw niya talaga.
Bill's doing this one. Zach's already done that one.
Yeah, go yeah. It's fun. How's that, Zach?
See, TJ?
It's alright.
Someone coming back down.
No, no.
Come on, yeah. It's look at that girl, yeah.
TJ. No, Mom. I'm going now.
Ayaw ni Kuya talaga, pinipilit ni Zach. Punta siya dito naman siya sa big one. Zach na ba? Hindi kasi natin makita kung sino na yung next. Ang layo. Tsaka may cover din kasi, hindi ba si Zach? Sana si Zach na to kasi malulubat na tayo. Si Zach. Ayan si Zach. Go, Zach!
Yes, Ellie.
How's that, Missy? Good? The other one.
Yeah.
Si Kuya talaga, inaano ni John. Ini-encourage bang itry niya. Ayaw talaga ni Kuya. Go, ya!
Go up there and take those up there.
Okay, go. Kuya. Go with Zach. Ayaw niya talaga.
You'd rather go on that one.
Kinukonvince ni Zach si Kuya na itry. Sayang din kasi. Para ma-experience niya ba?
Dad, you crack my arm.
Was it fun, Zach? You like it? You like it?
Yeah.
Si Holly ando na siya sa little one, oh.
Don't know.
Kuya, try it, yeah. It's alright. Come on. Try it. Yeah.
Wait.
Tell Zach. Is it fun there, Zach?
Come, TJ, I promise. You wanted to come here, and you said, oh yeah, I want to go do the jump.
Go, yeah. Try it.
I should have not told him it was steep.
Yeah, it's your fault. Kasi sinabi niya very stiff. So ayaw na ni Kuya pumunta. It's your fault.
So, but he needs to do it. He's older than me.
That's right. Go, yeah. Come on, yeah. It's alright.
You rather go get eaten by a zombie? You know, he went back down.
Oh,
I watched him go back down.
I know. Umakyat na si Kuya tapos bumalik si Kuya dun sa ano ba? Yung saan si Zach laging nag-slide. Pagtingin ni Zach, bumalik na si Kuya sa baba. Akala niya, sasabay sa kanya. Ayaw ni Kuya. Okay, Zach. Last na yun ni Zach kasi puno na yung kanyang ano ba, yung sa yung pang bracelet niya. Yung tag. You alright, Zach? Where are you? Ayun, dito pala. Okay, come on. Is this one unlimited? This one? Well, ask. Daddy's here. Si Kuya yung nakaupo na dun si Kuya, oh. Kay daddy niya. That's the last one for Zach. Yeah. This one, the fun one. Hi, Baba.
Just cut his bag off and he'll carry that.
Yeah? Is he alright?
Yeah, you're allowed to.
Oh, we're allowed.
They usually just take it so you can take it off.
Okay.
They put them on tight now, but just say you can use his. Just cut it off. Keep it carry it.
Oh, pwede palang gamitin ni Zach daw yung kay Kuya. Kasi ayaw naman ni Kuya eh, sayang. Wait, Baba, wait. Hindi natin nakunan si Holly. Well done, Baba.
I can fly down there again.
Yes, okay. Gustong gamitin ni Zach yung kay Kuya. I-try namin. Kasi sayang din eh. Gusto pa ni Zach. Si Kuya ayaw naman talaga kahit anong convince namin ni John. Porsigido talaga si Zach natanggal yung kay Kuya. Yung kay Kuya TJ, binigay na kay Zach. Ha?
They didn't even want to go down that one.
Yeah, he's too scared as well. Like you. Huh?
I went on a jump and then I felt like it was in the air.
You should try that one, Kuya. That's fun.
Was going through me.
Okay. Alright. Okay, go Zach. Kuya, you can go there. Oh, use this one. Go this one. Just hold it. Just hold it. Yeah. Because that's the only one you want. Happy siya, oh. Doon na si Kuya ulit kay Holly, oh. Diyan lang niya gusto. Ayaw talaga ni Kuya. Kahit anong try namin na convince kay Kuya. Si Sak, sinasabihan siya na sabayan niya. Ayaw talaga ni Kuya. Mana? Good? Alright. Balik ulit siya. Gustong... Which one? Alright. Good job. How many left? Two? Two more? Okay. Two. Okay. Si Holly, nandun siya sa little, dun sa pinaka maliit na wedgie. Ayan si Kuya. Go, Kuya. Good job, ya. Sakaria. Hindi natin naabutan na yan si Sago. Do you have another one? One more? Two more, okay. Two more pa siya dito yung kay Kuya na ticket. Ang init, upo na ako dito. Sakit na sa mukha. Ang init. Punta natin dito si Holly. Si Holly andito. Okay, go this one, Baba, the pink one. Akina. Okay, last two, and we're finished. Time. No, two. Come on. One more. Oh, okay, go. Oh, okay, we're done. Daddy said. It's alright, Daddy's here now. What's a slide? Tapos na yung time.
That hit his head and he smashed something.
Huh?
Yeah, he was on my way.
Okay, let's go.
It kills me when it's
Init. Okay, dry yourself, Holly. Come on.
This is what Zach did on that last one we did.
Why?
Yeah, because I sat down. Yeah, I actually and I pushed into Zach, and my back went like this,
Yep.
and then Zach was like this, and went.
Well, you just be careful because if you hurt your neck, that will be bad.
Funnest one.
Okay. Dry yourself
you
now.
like it?
Meron siyang tan line dyan. Oh. Baba, come here.
I haven't noticed it.
Okay, wait. Ay, ang init.
I was going down a slide like this.
Init ng mukha ko.
Zach, I was going down a slide like that. What?
Han, start the car.
There's a chair, Holly. Hey, Zach,
Okay, balik na tayo sa auto. Ang sakit ng ulo ko. Sakit ng init. Ang sakit na. Ang sakit sa ulo ng init.
Yeah.
Panood nila yung sarili nila. Kasi binidyo ko rin sila gamit yung phone. What's that, babe? Look at that.
Oh, my
Ah. Nagka-kayaking doon, guys. Oh.
Wait.
Nakikita na naman natin yung magandang mga bahay dito.
That was fun.
Oh, sakit sa ulo ng init.
But we can't because that won't let us. Can we go tomorrow?
This is the one? No, not this one. Is it? Is it one house?
Yeah, that's massive.
That's massive.
Wait, there's a 3-story here.
Yeah, that's the house. Oh yeah, it's
Where's
very
the
long. Huh?
So there's people down there.
What's the plan? Hindi pa namin ang parang plano, guys. Dito kayo sa
Stop here.
Oh,
hotel. Magsi-swimming sila.
Please.
Non-stop
You're
sila.
bringing the cows.
The what? The towels? Alright.
Cows. Wait, don't forget
Okay,
about the
swimming ulit sila. Baba, put your... Binisan ko na si Yoga.
swimsuit.
There. Kuya, can you get it, please?
What?
On your side.
It's
put that in the bin. That smelly food.
There siya.
I need the keys.
No, Daddy will open the door. Andun na yung dalawang boys, oh. Sarap dito, malamig. Okay, si Jan ang bahala sa mga bata.
Daddy, I need my floating. After I pop this on.
Ay, impake mamaya. Uwi tayo bukas. Oh, higa muna kasi ako mag-edit. Ano lang ako. Sakit sa ulo kasi yung init. Ando na sila guys. Kasama si daddy nila. So mamaya na lang ulit. Ho!
Take that thing.
Wow! Okay, go. Wow! How about you, Papa? Solo nila ngayon yung pool.
What's this?
Wala na masyadong tao, oh. Okay. Not there, Sak. That's too... No, Sak. That's too... ang tawag doon, mababaw. Narrow.
Can you tell Dad? There's not a jumping board.
Ha? Ha?
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Dad. It hurts when I
Okay.
jump.
That's why. That's enough. Oh, good job, Baba.
Did you look in there last night when you went past there? Yeah, they have. I went there.
What? What are you doing, Sak?
Mom, you watching?
Yeah, I am. Oh, yeah.
Oh. Yeah, nah. I was thinking that.
Ah.
He hit me.
Tapos na sila mag-swimming. Nakaligo na rin sila. And si Holly, ayan, nakaligo na siya. And same pa rin yung damit niya. Guys, hindi ko natapos yung aking ini-edit na naman. Kasi alis tayo. Kahapon wala tayong vlog. Alis tayo. Kaming mga girls, punta kami kila Lyra. Then, yung mga boys, si Dan lang, tsaka si Jan, tsaka yung mga bata, kakain sila sa tower. Si Tony may ganap. Si Neil hindi ata makakapunta kasi may work siya bukas ng maaga. And ako, naghilamos ako kasi sobrang init kanina. Yung parang feeling ko, tawag nun, ang lagkit ng mukha ko. So, gugas ako ng mukha, then nag-retouch. And ito yung ginamit ko, lights, camera, action. Tapos yung water tint gloss, yung same pa rin na shade yung gamit ko. Nakalimutan ko pero nabanggit ko yun sa inyo before. So, yan guys. Sinintay lang namin si Johnny Boy. Nag-quick shower din siya guys. Kasi sobrang init. Oops! Nahulog. Kuya, can you get that please? The cup? Nahulog yung takip ng ating. Ito pala yung gamit ko ngayon. Jo Malone na Nectarine Blossom and Honey. Thank you. Alright. So, si Jano lang ngayon. First time kong maghintay, guys. Lagi akong hinihintay nila. Ngayon, ready na ako. So, punta muna tayo sa bahay ni Race. Kasi, sasabay ako kay Race papunta kila Lai.
Well, I haven't kayaked the tower.
I know.
That's where I get my
Ang init. 36 degrees, guys. Time check pala is 4:17. Wala, hindi na busy yung hotel. Kahapon no vacancy sila. Lapit na kami sa bahay ni Race and is TJ sleep?
Yeah.
Tulog yung magkamukha. Oh, thanks, Zach.
And Holly did a bet, and whoever goes to sleep so loses. And Holly went to sleep first.
Pagod kasi 'di ba kanina pa sila nasa tubig and then doon pa sa sa inflatable slides. Si Sak, how about you, Sak? You're not tired? No.
But water, my eyes hurt.
Your eyes because of the water?
No, when I went in the pool, yeah, on the biggest one there.
Which one? Pool or the
wedgie.
slide? The
Huh?
wedgie?
Yeah, the big wedgie. I went down, water just goes in my eyes.
Oh, kasi may patubig yung nga doon, di ba guys? Yung slides doon. Okay, malapit na kayong kila Race. Guys, dito na kami.
Say hi to the mom.
Say hi to Mama. Hi people, I'm showing my bed. I'll show you guys my bed, okay? Come on. Itutur niya kami sa room niya guys kasi may bed na raw si Eileen. Ganda na, Day! Oh, come on, where's your bed? Show them. Show your bed. Where's your room? Go. Where's your room, Baba? Ay, wow! May pa-tour guide. Tayo din. Where's your room? Where's your room? Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, it's Ate Holly. All right, go. Let's go to your room.
Well, she's good.
Wow.
Where's your room? Oh my goodness.
Where's your room? Ay, ang cute. Papa! That's very nice. Nandyan talaga si Luigi.
Si Luigi.
Luigi's here.
room, guys.
I love your room, Baba. Look at the bed. Cute ang bed, oy. Cute. Ang ganda. Holly, look at Isla's bed. Very nice.
Really good, actually.
Yeah.
My sister's got
See?
the same. My sister's got the same. It's all on.
Oh, yeah. So soft.
Yeah.
Nice.
That wasn't expensive, was it? The mattress? What was it? 300? 400?
No, 1,000 the mattress.
Okay.
Ganda.
Like,
Ayan na siya, oh.
si Tito Jan.
Tito Jan sa'yo na, Papa. Nauli sila kasi si Kuya nakatulog. Ayan na. Takbo yan sa'yo, Day. Who's that? Look at the bed, Han. Oh my God, honey. Oh my God. What happened to you, babe? Kahapon din sa restaurant, umiyak siya. It's just Tito Jan, Baba. Who's Tito Jan? What happened, ulo? May pag-glare Pag-glare talaga siya, oh.
Yeah, it's Tito Jan. Yeah.
Anong alis ka dyan?
It will fit both of you.
Nice, right?
Nice mattress, John. I
Nice.
think they've got like next day delivery. You sleep.
Yeah.
There's that little pillow top on it, like it's that thick.
Yeah.
It's really good. Lay on that. Just stick it out. Like
Try.
My sister's got it. Her kid's got it. That's all. We'll give it a try. Tell you what, when I come here, I'll just stay this. You get on like this. This mattress is 10 times better than that shit.
Oh yeah.
What, that old one?
Get on that shit as well. That's where you get.
Are your old
sleep.
one? Old one.
That's what the kids need. That's what I know their beds.
Feel
Yeah.
this one's
Lay on
shit.
that, whatever
Like-
for that. Just put your feet
Yeah,
up there.
lay down. Have you tried Zach?
Trisac. Nice. Pink. Trisac. Nice. Yeah. Nice. Oh, sarap.
We'll see.
Baba, I love your bed.
She had a
What are you
napkin.
gonna put?
Nothing.
Nothing. She's pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can't get them rails that clip on.
Now we might just put some pillows or something.
And this is just gonna go back in bed.
Should be
Oh,
right.
She had an update today, and
she's alright.
Was it? Yeah.
But that's a nice bed. That'll
Yeah.
sleep good in that.
That's
Try
it.
that
You won't
one.
like this one. This one here.
10 years,
I
di
bought
ba?
this
10
one
years na
here.
yun.
I bought this mattress.
Kaya nga, 10 years. Try, Han. Lie down.
Tulog pa niya.
You won't like this one. After this one's gonna be a bad bat.
What's wrong with that one,
Too bad. That is
Nah.
just.
Wicked.
Nah, it's not.
It's just worn out in the middle, that's all.
Well, I just
We know on the side.
Na-stain. Hinawakan niya ko.
Finally, I can't put it behind there if we wanted to.
Ganda na, Day.
I'm gonna choose another outfit.
Ay, happy na siya, oh. Ay, Day. Happy na siya kay Tito Jan, oh. Pika? Where's Tito Jan?
Pika.
She's done a very good job in that last.
Pika.
Bo! Happy na siya. Wala na nito. Nagpunta ko sa IKEA. Ito yung hinahanap ko. Wala na. Meron sila yung ano. Nakabili rin akong ganyan. Ang nandun na lang plain. No. Bo! Dami niyang ano mo. Dami niyang pinapakitang ano. Pasikat. No.
Tito Jan. Tito Jan, no?
Where's Tito Jan?
Kapag mahaba, nagsistraight.
Little one again.
Oh, hayaan mo lang. Okay na sila. Friends na sila.
She loves going down the stairs as well, that's why.
Friends na sila, guys. Bye! Bye, Baba! Bye! Friends na sila. Una talaga, lagi siyang umiiyak, no? Bakit kaya? Kaya nga. Si Sak palagi niya nang ninulok. Up niya na si Ayla. Hindi na siya nahihiya. Papa! Hinahabol niya si Ate Holly. Nandun na siya. Si Holly nagtan siya, oh. Ikaw ba naman magbabad sa sim nga tsaka dun sa pinunta namin? Sa slide? Tingnan mo, may siya, may tan line. Tingnan mo. Grabe, oh. Tingnan nyo guys, oh.
Si Ayla nga, nagtatatuin ko si...
Diba? Ayan si Kuya Zach.
Oh, Kuya Sans on your cover. Is that for you, ba? Ano yan?
Nadapa si Ayla. Binuhat ni Kuya Zach. Ching! Wow! Labas daw si Kuya Zach. Manood daw siyang TV sa labas.
Okay, that's alright. Just go. Do you know how to open?
Yun na, how? Ako na.
I think you gotta push it all the way first and then unlock it. No, I can't push it.
Ah. Alright. Okay, Papa, no, we're not going.
Okay.
Okay. Make sure she's not gonna go to the concrete, Baba, ha?
Just don't hold her.
Just don't hold her. Holly, don't hold. Baba!
Step.
Alam niya naman. Uy, tulungan niyo raw siya. Umano siya ng kamay niya eh. Ang init kaya. Bet na bet ko talaga. Nagsasabi ko kaya gandang-ganda ko dyan sa pailaw niya sa labas. Para siyang ano.
Kagabi in fairness.
Yeah.
Hindi siya na walang nangyari sa...
Walang nangyari sa... Hindi, ang lalayo naman kasi nila para magbanggaan sila doon, no?
Pang-outdoor din kasi.
Oo, ang ganda. Guys, ang ganda ng tawag to? Oo. Fake lawn. Ang ganda, ang soft. At least hindi na siya magda-dry. Green na green. Oo, kasi yung totoo,
Medyo spiky pa.
Oo, tapos, pag tawag nun?
Minsan hindi pa nag-grow siguro.
Oo, hindi naman, tawag niya. Pag hindi na patubigan, nag-yellowish. Eto, green na green. O siya, green na green talaga siya. Ganda. So, parang brush mo sa mukha.
Parang synthetic.
Parang siyang yun nga, bristles. Synthetic brush. Maganda. Tingnan mo si Ayla. Ayla! Look at the Holly. Ate Holly, you didn't wear your shorts. Your shorts. Sa Shein ko yan nabili guys, na damit niya. Not there, Baba, not there. Watch where you going.
Please tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do.